What is up, everybody? So I am testing out my new lavalier mic that I ordered. I did solder in an external mic adapter into my camera. Sorry if the lens is getting foggy. I'll just walk outside. For those of you that don't know, I do live in North Carolina, and we've been dealing with a hurricane for it's Monday since last Thursday. And so far, we have a pond in my front yard. And a pond over there. Not really, it's just that fucking bad. The bike has been up in storage down in the garage, locked up. But guys, look at this. There's blue skies shining right there through the clouds. Look at this, my damn driveway. Guys, it feels great outside. I'm actually thinking about taking the bike out today for a little bit. If I do, I will add it in with this video and test out the mic that I have wired up in my helmet. If I can get my bike up the damn backyard, because it's just solid fucking mud. But you guys, this is broke down. The Accord is broke down. It does run, but it overheats. Well, it doesn't overheat, but after it runs for a few minutes, it just shuts off. So we're gonna get it in the shop soon. So I'm still stuck riding the bike daily. And yeah, because I changed the fuel pump the other day and went to test drive it. Got into town, which is about 10 miles, and it shut off. And I had to wait a couple hours for my girlfriend to come and pick me up after she got off of work. And then I had to wait until about 11 or 12 o'clock at night for my stepbrother to come and get me with a chain and pull me back home 10 miles in the rain at night with a dead battery. So I had no headlights. That was fucking rough. But hopefully we can get it fixed soon and I can start working back on the car again. But I'm gonna go try and get this bike out, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Think that's too muddy? Think it might be a little too muddy, you guys. It's been raining for 4 days. I'm gonna try it. I'll be back. So what is up, guys? This is my first ride with the external mic hooked up into my camera. I don't even know if it's working right or not. It says that it is. So I'm gonna get my glasses up, get my gloves on, and go for a little ride. But like I said earlier, I haven't been able to ride since sometime last week due to the hurricane, but as you can see, it's sunny and like 80 out here. Got the bike charged up. Go for a little ride. I gotta run to the bank anyways and pay the light bill. Now that I can actually get the bike out. Feels so good to be back on two wheels. But many of my people are on the East Coast, anywhere near the North Carolina, Virginia, South Carolina, Georgia area. How did everybody do during the hurricane? please let me know, that way I can make sure all my followers are safe. We're good. All we got was a crap load of rain. It started raining on Thursday and did not stop till this morning. So we got a lot of flooding, you guys. Sorry if this angle isn't that great. This is not my Wi-Fi camera, so therefore I cannot see how the view looks on the phone. And I'm sorry if the quality on the microphone is not that great, but it's my first time trying this, so if there's anything I can do, or if anyone has any tips on how I can make the quality of my sound better, this is a lavalier mic, same as the one I had in my shirt earlier in the video. Guys, oh my god, it was laid out next day. I don't even have my center on right now. I don't even know if it's charged. Let me check that, you guys. Look at this. We've been dealing with a hurricane for the last few days, and this is what we have now. This is retarded. Hello. Beep, beep, beep. Phone connected. Haha. That never gets old. Alright, in the Roxborough. Let's roll. Oh, my phone is not connected. I'm not gonna do that. Put my phone. So, I don't know, guys. I've been cramped up in that house for a few days. I did get to see my girlfriend this weekend. Over the Honda Civic. Made it through the storm and got me. Let's see how bad the roads are. As far as I can see right now, everything looks great. Everything was dried up since this morning. And everything's to be used in 2 weeks. I tell you guys, I would rather ride out the country than I would in the city. Any day of the week. It's just beautiful out here. And having this mic and my camera is going to make so much easier for me to make some murder vlogs for you guys. I feel like I'm screaming into the mic, so I'll just have to see what it sounds like when I review this footage. But you guys, it's not 100% certain, but I may be getting another bike. A cruiser this time. Not sure, but I might. If I do, you guys, I will let y'all know more when I find out about it. It is from family, so it will be kept, even if it breaks down, because it's a whole ass bike. I would keep it, fix it, and keep it down through my family. I'm hoping that I can get it, because I would much rather be on a cruiser that's lower to the ground than this, while riding my girlfriend on the back. I do not like riding doubles. I've had people sit in the back of this. I've never actually rode anybody around on it, because I've never actually had my full license, and that was too sketch. Plus, I'm like 5'4", and this bike is like, yeah, tiptoes. And you guys are going to move too slow. Big boy. Thank you. But you gotta run at Walmart's. Gotta run in here to the bank, because I bank with Walmart. It's Wood Forest, if you haven't heard of it. And because other banks surpass, and this place is open on holidays. So yeah, like, hey, gotta go to the bank on Thanksgiving and pay your bills? Go for it. They're open. Christmas Day? Yep, they're open. But guys, I'm out of here. I might do a little bit more